In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Asana. By the end, you'll have a working CRM project generated for you inside Asana, ready to organize leads, deals, and follow-ups in one place. First, open Asana and head to your home view. This gives you a clean starting point and makes it easy to find the right space to place your new project. From here, move into your team area. Choosing the correct team matters because it controls who can see and collaborate on your CRM. If you're part of multiple teams, pause for a moment to confirm you're in the team where sales or client work typically lives, so your stakeholders have access by default. Next, hover over your workspace name in the left sidebar. This reveals quick options related to creating and organizing work. Select Create Project. You'll land on the project creation screen where Asana presents several ways to start. You can browse template categories like marketing, operations, and PMO, and productivity. These categories are helpful for inspiration, and they show common structures, fields, and views that teams rely on. Even if you don't pick a template here, it's useful context for how your CRM might be organized. For this build, use Asana's Create with AI at the top of the screen. This opens a simple prompt window where you can describe what you want to create. In the prompt box, type, "Create a CRM." Keep it short and clear. Asana's AI is designed to interpret the intent and propose a structured project that fits. Once you've entered the prompt, press Enter to submit. Give Asana a moment to generate your project. You'll see it assembling sections, tasks, and potentially fields that map to typical CRM needs such as lead stages, owner assignments, and follow-up dates. This automated setup saves time and ensures you don't miss foundational pieces. When the generation is complete, click Go to Project. Your new CRM project will open, fully created inside your chosen team. From here, you can review what the AI produced and get familiar with the layout. You might see stages that represent your pipeline and suggested attributes that help you sort and prioritize work. The goal at this point is simply to understand the structure Asana created so you can start adding your real leads and deals. That's it, your CRM in Asana is live. As you begin using it, keep an eye on naming conventions, who has access in your team, and the fields that matter most to your workflow. With this foundation in place, you're ready to manage relationships and deals directly in Asana.